All right, we're rolling. Oh yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Scotty, that baby's held on by that for sure.
And more than that.
Yeah. Scotty, wave! Oh, or have seizure, whatever. Look it. This is how we do stuff. So, bouncer's gonna come off. Timing cover's coming off. Pan's coming off. Holy moly. It's Avanti fun time. Scotty, did you get that with one finger?
Yes, exactly. And it's supposed to be way tighter. Oops, look, Daddy. I'm only using a finger.
And that's exactly how it was from the get-go. Wow. I guess you could switch to the rache for time saving
I don't know that bitch. She a hoe.
Ha! Looks like we need a balancer or to get this one redone by Damper Doctor.
Oh my God, yeah, that's bad. That's like really, really bad.
About ready to come flying off.
Yeah, because even the gasket's poking through.
Yeah, the whole rubber's popping out. Yeah.
So thanks for playing the home game. You're fired.
Yeah, it's bad. Come on, mister. Timing cover is stuck.
This thing is on here.
You. Oh, there we go. Wow. I think Scooter's gonna hurt himself.
Yeah, I mean, this ain't, it ain't moving.
Wow. Everything's out of it.
See if you can. Oh, wait. Okay, it's not aluminum.
No.
See if you can get a better
Push.
Yeah. Okay, it's not just me then. Now I don't feel bad.
It's on there. All right, hang on.
She knocked me down, bang, bang. I hit the ground, bang, bang.
We was hammering. At least we're not getting hammered. Alright, we're still stuck. Hold on.
Oh, wait.
Is there still a bolt in it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that. Hey, Scotty, they come out better when all the bolts are out.
Yeah, and every time I pull a bolt out, I get a child.
Yay.
Now watch, it just...
A new car! I mean...
And for those of you playing the home game... Did I miss one?
Still not... No. No. No, she's there.
I wonder.
No, I checked it. Put my... Is that... Wait, is that one right here? Oh.
Yeah, it's...
Because that's the pan.
No, there's something we're missing.
Yeah. Timing cover off.
Ooh, it's gear drive, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Studebaker.
Very nice.
Studebaker was pretty smart when it came to stuff like that.
Teeth look good.
Yeah.
Nothing appears to be damaged.
I think we're looking good.
Yeah, we are. Well, I mean, there's definitely some wear on the
fuel pump eccentric.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, out of that, it looks really, really good.
Yeah, this makes me happy.
A good scrapey, some cleanup.
Oh, away we go. Done deal there.
A little bit of paint. It'll look fabulous, darling. It'll be amazing.
We ain't painting.
We'll make him an offer he can't refuse.
Oh, boy.